Welcome back to Health Simplicity. In today's video, we will be discussing the power of plant-based nutrition for long-term health. In recent years, there has been an increasing interest in plant-based diets, and for good reason. Plant-based diets can offer a wide range of health benefits, including improved heart health, weight loss, and reduced risk of chronic diseases. So, whether you are a vegan, vegetarian, or just looking to incorporate more plant-based foods into your diet, this video is for you. For your information, this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered professional advice. So, please consult with your professional doctor if you face any medical problems. If you know somebody, either family members or friends that are interested in this topic, please share with them because this video will be useful to them. Firstly, let's start with the basics. A plant-based diet focuses on whole, minimally processed foods that come from plants such as vegetables, fruits, legumes, whole grains, nuts, and seeds. By eating a variety of plant-based foods, you can get all the nutrients your body needs to thrive without the negative health effects of processed foods and animal products. Now, let's dive into the benefits of a plant-based diet. Studies have shown that a plant-based diet can reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and some cancers. It can also lower cholesterol levels and improve blood pressure, leading to improved heart health. Additionally, plant-based diets are typically lower in calories, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. If you are interested in incorporating more plant-based foods into your diet, here are some options to consider. Number 1. Leafy greens such as kale, spinach, and collard greens are packed with nutrients and can be used in salads, smoothies, or sauté as a side dish. Number 2. Legumes such as lentils, chickpeas, and black beans are a great source of protein and can be used in soups, stews, or salads. Number 3. Whole grains such as quinoa, brown rice, and oats are high in fiber and can be used in breakfast bowls, salads, or as a side dish. Number 4. Nuts and seeds such as almonds, chia seeds, and pumpkin seeds are high in healthy fats and can be used as a snack or added to smoothies or oatmeal. Transitioning to a plant-based diet doesn't have to be so difficult. Here are some easy tips to help you get started. First, try to start slow by incorporating one plant-based meal per day and gradually increase. Second, experiment with different recipes. There are many delicious plant-based recipes available online or in cookbooks. Third, educate yourself. Learn about the benefits of plant-based diets and the impact of animal products on your health and the environment. In conclusion, a plant-based diet can offer many health benefits and is a great way to nourish your body with wholesome, nutrient-dense foods. Whether you are looking to improve your heart health, lose weight, or reduce your risk of chronic diseases, a plant-based diet is worth considering. So, start incorporating more plant-based foods into your diet today and see the positive impact on your long-term health. If you think today's video is helpful, please hit the subscribe button so we can continue to make more educational health videos. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.